Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a fill for an irregular object such as this utility jug using Blender. So I am in object mode, and with the jug selected, we need to add a solidify modifier. So if you go to this wrench icon, we want add modifier, and in the generate column, you'll find solidify. And we need to estimate the thickness of this jug, and it will vary depending on the units of measure you're working in. That looks pretty good. So now let's make a copy of the jug with Shift D, and Escape will keep it in place. I'm going to hide the original, and now let's apply that modifier. So now if we tab into edit mode using edge selection, I'm going to hold down Option and click on this inner edge, and we're going to go to edge, mark seam, and now with face selection, select one of the inner faces and tap L to get the linked faces. Now we need to duplicate it with Shift D, Enter or Escape, and P, separate the selection. So now you'll see we have the inner part of the jug. And now while in edit mode, you can turn on your X-ray mode if you'd like. Now I'm going to grab the knife tool, K, and I'm going to click where I want my cut to begin and tap C for cut. And I want this on the X axis, and click to apply and hit enter. And as long as you're on X-ray mode, now we can use our selection box to grab anything above the fill and delete it. And now if I use my edge selection, Option click, and let's do E to extend, tap enter to keep it in place, and start scaling that inward. And I'm going to pull that down on the Z axis to create that surface tension, and tap F to fill. And then on edge selection, I can do a little bit of bevel with Control B. And on this top edge, I'm going to bevel it. And similar situation here with the handle. And a quick bevel. Okay, that's looking pretty good. And there we have the jug and the fill. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like the video and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Take care.